We're not ready to add the entries, but before we do that, I just want to go over one quick thing here. Now, if you go to the field section, this is for the phones, the mobile phones, and you type in phone model. Now, just click on it. What you have to remember here is that first, where it says dependency, you have to select the manufacturer, which you had created before. It's another field. And then what you want to do is where it says dependency, when you select on Acer, for example, you have to put in the values of the items for each specific one. It's showing up here now because I've already done that. So when you go to Asus, it has nothing here. You have to put something for that. When you go to Apple, it has that. So that way, when users are submitting their phones on the front end, they can choose the version that they have. So for example, if they go to Apple, they can choose which one of the iPhones that they want to sell. If they go to the BlackBerry, they can choose which one that they want to sell. So it's very important that you make sure that for this particular section, you do that. Now, once again, you can apply this to anything, not just for phones, for different categories or whatever that you're selling or whatever you want people to list. So this allows you to be a lot more flexible. So whenever you have something that there's a manufacturer and they have different types, for example, like with the car, every car has a make and every make has a model. So the same thing applies here. Is every manufacturer, they have a different, versions of their phones. So you want to make sure that you put in the right information there. And if you don't have it, you can just, like I said, just type it in there. So now that you understand that part of it, I want to show you how you can be able to add, other items here. And we're going to start with the phone. So let's do that now. So from the entries tab, you want to click on new. Then you select the category and submit. Now this is where you put in the information. Of course, you definitely want to link this to the author. And then you just scroll down and just fill in the appropriate information here. And by the way, this is what users are going to be able to see on the front end. This gives you an idea here of, how it's presented to them. So here's what, the finished product looked like once you've added it. Of course, with the thumbnails, you can add more for the images, or you can, just delete. And then once you're done, just click save and close. So as you notice, it's going to add it here to the list of entries. And you just do the same thing, for the rest of them.